In this walkthrough, I will show you how to set up a basic or professional website. Start by choosing the website plan. Basic is a clean hosted request site. Professional is the fuller local website for operators who want more SEO structure, service pages, vehicle pages, and bilingual renter access. Next, fill in the public brand details: business name, city, service area, contact information, SEO title, description, pickup locations, FAQs, and renter-facing trust copy. Then choose the moving hero vehicle image. This should be different from operator to operator, so public websites do not all look identical. Use a preset or paste a custom landscape vehicle image. Public vehicle rates come from Fleet. Add daily and weekly rates there, and choose whether the website should say starting at or show a fixed price. Before publishing, review the partner-owned policy pages. VettyDrive provides starter text, but the operator should review and approve the terms, privacy, rental, cancellation, insurance, and deposit language. Finally, use the preview before launch. Publishing still requires approval, which helps keep public websites complete and professional. That is website setup. Choose the plan, make the site unique, add rates, review policies, preview, and publish after launch review.